Hello, rail fans. Welcome to French Fried Trains. It's Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. We headed out in the morning to our normal spot, and we got a bunch of trains that day. An ES44AH leads this northbound autorack train. This train would also end up having distributed power. Some interesting characters here. And here comes the end of the train with the distributed power. Check that out, 2 rear end units. A Cm44AH rebuild and an ES40 DC. Only the first DPU was running. About half an hour later, the next train arrived. Three locomotives here, a pair of ET44AHs sandwich a YN2 AC44CW. A southbound manifest train. Check out this car with 3 sets of trucks. This old boxcar seen better days. And a 4th locomotive running as distributed power, another ET44AH. This was another monster manifest that just kept going and going. This boxcar is freshly painted. And here's an interesting flat car with a rack. I believe these are used for carrying pre-assembled railroad switches. And finally, 10 minutes later, the end of the train goes by. The next train would arrive about 25 minutes after that. train, led by a Cm44AH rebuild. This train was headed for AK Steel in Middletown. I figured this loaded ore train would be too heavy for just a single locomotive, and I was right. He would also end up having a distributed power unit. Here it comes now. There it goes, an ES44ACH. Soon enough, the end of the train goes by. About 45 minutes later, the next one arrived, this time in northbound. A pair of SD40-3s lead this one in. This was our old friend, J782. A cut of rail boxes here. Here's a 6-axle flat car. Here's a pair of Chicago Northwestern hoppers. And a few more. He's slowing down now as he comes into Needmore Yard in Dayton. And soon enough, the tail end of the train passes by us, led by a pair of TTX rail boxes. "20 minutes later, and the next train came. Another pair of SD40-3s lead this southbound train. He actually snuck up on me. I barely got the camera up in time. This train was J783, the southbound counterpart of the previous train. Check out this old covered hopper. Well, folks, that's all the trains I got that day. So that's all for this episode of French Fried Trains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Have a great week, and stay safe out there, rail fans.